Hello, analog support. So we're here troubleshooting with my Analog 3D Funtastic Colors Jungle Edition. So what happened was I was playing this game, Duke Nukem 64. My display started to flicker black. It would just, for about a half second to a second, would just turn black. And then all of a sudden, the entire display went out. No sound, nothing. Hasn't come back since. So we're going to show this on my Retron 5, still working. I'm going to show that it's not the display. We're going to be using HDMI 1 on both of these displays just for this troubleshooting, and 2 different sets of cables. So right now, the Retron 5 is plugged in, it's fine, it's working on this display over here. So here we are. You know, got sound, everything's working fine. So let's check it out on the other display. Well, what do you know? Totally works. Everything's fine. So it's not the monitor, it's not the TV, it's not this cable. So now let's try with the 3D. So here we are on display on the left. System's booted up. It's currently updating. No display. Let it finish doing its update. So what we're also going to do is we're going to use that other HDMI cable that I have that is playing the Retron 5. Right now we're using the analog supplied green HDMI cable. Again, we're plugged into HDMI 1. So now the system has finished with its update. It's on, as you can see from the pairing button in the middle, but we've got no display. So let's try this other TV. Okay, so the Retron still showing that no issues, and the 3D is showing nothing. So now we're just going to swap the cables and see what happens. So now the Retron 5 has the analog Jungle Green Edition cable supplied by Analog, and it is playing HDMI output to the monitor on the right. The 3D is now using my HDMI cable that I use for my Retron 5 on the left display, and is still displaying nothing. So both cables work. We've shown that by putting the Retron 5 with that cable supply that I've had, and it displays on both TVs. Now we've tried it with the Jungle Green HDMI, and it still displays, but no matter which cable I use for my 3D, no matter which display I use for my 3D, I do not have HDMI output. So if you're willing to take the system back, I would like to perhaps get a reshelling, keep my Jungle Green if possible, and pop in that SD card, and hopefully like nothing ever happened. Please get back to me, analog support. Thank you.